Curious about the warning indicators on your Tata Tigor cluster display? In this guide, we'll explore the dashboard symbols, their meanings, and what actions you should take to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. A display visually presents information for easy viewing and interaction. An instrument cluster displays essential vehicle information like speed, fuel level, and warnings. The gear shifter selects the vehicle's driving mode.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
Airbag status, turn signal indicator. ABS warning light, malfunction indicator lamp. Battery charging, low engine oil pressure warning light. Headlight high beam indicator, immobilizer indicator. High engine coolant temperature, warning light, check engine lamp. Driver seat belt indicator, park brake indicator. Front passenger seat belt, reminder light, low fuel level warning light. Water and fuel indicator, AMT fault. Key not detected, speed limit warning indicator. Door ajar lamp, daytime running lamps, DRL. Electric power assisted steering, press clutch pedal to start engine. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol, stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.